Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by picking your video and a slide to host it. You want MP4 or WMV for compatibility. Insert the video now via Insert Video so you begin the process. This ensures PowerPoint links the right file. Once placed, resize to cover the slide edge to edge because aspect ratio determines letterboxing. Make sure to save a copy before heavy edits, since embedding can increase file size and affect performance. This protects your original. With the video covering the slide, send it to the back so content layers sit on top. Right-click and choose Send to Back. Then open playback options, trim to the needed portion and mute audio if narration will be separate. Choose Start automatically for seamless loops or when clicked for control. Also set play full screen only if aspect matches, otherwise scale manually. These steps control how the video behaves during the presentation and why each choice matters. Finish by testing in Slide Show View. Loop the video if you want continuous motion and hide while not playing to avoid thumbnails. Compress media to reduce file size and improve playback across machines, and embed rather than link if sharing. If you see a black screen or no video, reinsert the file and try MP4 with H.264. Codecs often cause failures, so convert if necessary. Finally, test on the target device to confirm smooth timing and transitions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.